Before starting to weave, we are going to have to spread the warp. We're going to do that by adding in a few spacers. So we start by opening, first shed here is the alternate shed. I will put in one spacer. Then I will go and open the principal shed, put my fingers in front of the shed rod and separate them. Pull back the heddles. Do this one more time. Have to make sure you have a proper tension. We beat this down. We put in another spacer. We do an alternate shed. Again, press it down, pick it up, open up, beat it down, and put in one more. And again, we open the principal shed, press it down, pull this further down, and beat it down. Now we'll spread it a little bit to the width we want our sash to be. And now we can start weaving. We will start by opening the principal warp. We pass our shuttle with the thread, put it in, we leave a bit of a tail, we change our sheds, beat it down, then to lock our threads in place, we take the little tail that we had and put it halfway through the warp and pull it out. And then we take our shuttle and we put it through. And again, we change our shed. We're in the alternate shed, so we go to the principal shed or the natural shed. We open it up, press it down, beat it down, and we have done our first row. After beating it down properly, we take our shuttle and pass it through again. Change the shed, so now we go to the alternate shed. We lift up our heddle rod, push down in between, and we get a nice opening. We put a finger through there or our knife, and we beat it down. Again, after beating it down, we push the shuttle through, pull it in, change our shed to a natural shed. We put the fingers in front of the shed rod with enough tension. Make sure that your tension on your warp is good. It opens up. We beat it down. And again, we beat it down. We pass our shuttle. Change our shed to the alternate shed. Beat it down. And then pass the shuttle again. And there we go. We are now doing basic weaving. Again, we change our shed, move our heddles forward a bit. We change our shed. Always make sure you have enough tension on your warp. We beat the row down, and we pass our shuttle again. And there we are. We're now weaving.